Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's nice to meet you again. We want to quickly do a demonstrative video. Okay, it's showing well now. All right. Some friends and some members from the mass movement have requested that they needed to know the process of registration and payment. So that is what we want to quickly do now. My friend here and partner is joining the mass movement initiative, and they want to get his own registration done. And I think what we're going to do now will have to address the issue of difficulty in making payments that my friend, one Mr. Joseph, a member of this movement, has been having. I hope Mr. Joseph will go through this video for him to get check if there is any difference between what we're doing now and the one he did. So first thing is to fill this registration form. Alright, email address. That's the email address. Make sure you're not making mistake. Alright, then country, Nigeria. Next is username. Suggest username. Alright. The password. So you make sure that the password and the confirmation for the password is correct. Alright, so when you're filling the form, your sponsor's username has to appear in this column. Then you click I am not a robot. Traffic lights. Alright, create account, not save. Now, a box will appear showing you that your registration is successful. We'll OK it. Now, once you OK it, it takes you straight into your dashboard, your platform. Now, the next thing to do is to confirm again that yes, that your sponsor is actually the right person you wanted. Then you go to activate account. Hello, Mr. Joseph. I'm doing a video now for you. Let me get done. I'll call you. Yeah, it will reflect now. I'm coming. I will call you back in the next 10 minutes. Now, what you do is, what you see here, Hfinity joining amount is $11. You pay with Bitcoin. That's the only payment option accepted for now. So then click next. Now it takes you to this portal. At this point, you copy the Bitcoin address recommended here. Copy carefully. Make sure there's no mistake. Then you go to your blockchain to effect the transaction. You paste it there. You go back again to, then you copy you could either copy from here or you copy from here. Let's copy from here. He said you should. Now, what is the instruction here? The instruction here is that important note. Please send exactly what this figure the figure that appears here to this address. So we have to copy it. And then we'll go to our blockchain. Then you paste. Alright, so 24 cents is what will be charged for this transaction. You click continue. And then send. Alright. While the confirmation is still going on, you go back to your dashboard on Hedgefinity and you click confirm transaction. See, the transaction here is a Bitcoin payment system. Payment successfully received. So you said you can view the transaction from here. You see the $11 reflecting in your back office. So at this point, this account is properly and completely registered and paid for. But someone has been also worried that the transaction was not successful from his end, and he has even went as far as making this payment 2 times and yet still not reflecting. So I wish that this video helps him out and several other people that are coming on board on mass movement program using the platform of this Hedgefinity. The benefit of Hedgefinity is enormous. We hope to raise the target of $42 million with the initial investment of this $11. This is our own seed. Ladies and gentlemen, just keep in touch with us with our other videos that will be coming up, giving us update on how we can be effective on this platform of Hedgefinity. So my friend, I don't know if you have any question here.
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right. In the absence of any question, I think how many minutes now? 7 minutes. I think just stop here. So let me just take a minute back to the platform after the payment is made. You can come back here. One thing I like so much about this, all right, it has shown that at this stage it is at challengers level. There are 8 levels in this program: the challengers level, the herald, the guardian, the crusader level, the archon, legend, ancient, and divine level. At the completion of all this level, you'll be raking the sum of $42 million. This is one thing that makes it very sustainable and transparent. So if you're having your downlines working at their own ends, far away from wherever you are, you want to know their activities, their progress, you just come to genealogy. At the genealogy, this is where you can see your direct downlines, the total number of downlines you have, if they are active or not active, and this is the tree here. When you click the view tree, you'll be able to see the situation. For instance, this is me, or this is my friend here who I just registered. His name is Mr. Harmony. So if you get his two will occupy this point and this point. And from this point, each of these points will have their own 2 each. The more they progress, the more his wallet grow. But there is harmony in this program, in the sense that you as the upline, because the program makes provision for spillovers. So you as the upline, you must work hand in hand with your team members in order for them to have their own downlines, because it's a team work. So at this point, but one thing I recommend is that individuals should be able to create 3 accounts for themselves even from the beginning. You have one account by the left, one account by the right, because that's the maximum number of people you can have, and then it will raise your income level, and that's how we are good to go. You can check your account deposits, and then you can review your earning from here. From here you go to your direct income. Well, the account is still skeleton anyway because it's just a fresh one. There is nothing there. But with time, it gets to grow. Thank you and God bless you.